I'm Woody Rollins, CEO of AppScale. You're about to see a brief demonstration presented by Larry Toole, CTO of IncentivateHealth. Incentivate has created a cloud-based SaaS that leverages mobile to engage and incentivize their customers to accelerate and achieve better health. It's important to mention the reasons why Incentivate was compelled to migrate their award-winning SaaS from Google App Engine to Azure. First, Incentivate wanted to free themselves from Google lock-in. With AppScale, they are now free to run on any public cloud or on-premise and take advantage of this multi-cloud world. Second, Incentivate required a HIPAA-compliant cloud environment, which is standard with Azure and not available with Google. Third, Incentivate wanted exposure to the vast healthcare resources offered through Microsoft. Partnering with Microsoft has been critical to increasing exposure, opportunity, and revenue for Incentivate. And lastly, Incentivate has built their success on no IT. They are completely no ops, so it was important to have the enterprise support that Microsoft is known for. With Larry on the call is Juhi Saha, who works in business development at Microsoft, and members of the AppScale team. Larry does most of the speaking with some questions and comments from Juhi. Thanks and enjoy the demonstration.
We're a cloud-based solution. Our initial start was on the Google environment, obviously Google App Engine, and then we're now working with AppScale to not be anchored, so to speak, to the Google platform. Why are we interested in migrating? Well, from our perspective, it offers more flexibility and more options for our customer. Google App Engine, it's a great development environment. You can get things done very quickly, but you're tied specifically to Google, and that has some disadvantages, especially when you're talking about HIPAA compliance, because there's certain aspects of the Google App Engine environment that you cannot get Google to support under a business associates agreement. And also, by going to AppScale, it gives us a lot of flexibility in terms of other clouds we can operate in. That's very appealing, especially as we talk to our prospects and where their interests might be. And I mentioned, this whole area of HIPAA compliance and security requirements. We think AppScale, that this environment gives us more options. In terms of the status of our migration, we successfully completed it. We had our external interfaces are working on an hourly basis because part of our application looks at air quality so that we can send information out relative to folks that have asthma conditions. We also interface to Twilio, a service for text messaging out to people that utilize our system. And we had no problem with our data store migration from the Google App Engine data store to the AppScale data store. That works seamlessly. All of the queries that we ran in Google App Engine work in AppScale. We're very pleased about that because we have some fairly complex queries. And, it really underlying all of this really is a completely different database engine than what Google App Engine has.
Yeah, I was wondering, is the POC mostly complete by now? Because as I recall, you guys started a couple of weeks ago, right?
Yeah, in fact, I'm going to demo it.
Oh, that's incredible.
AppScale proof of concept. You'll notice up here the domain is IncentivateHealth.appscale.com. So we took a snapshot of our software that was running on the Google Cloud. It's a fairly recent snapshot, and we loaded it up. It was pretty seamless from our perspective.
I think it was tremendous what you guys have managed to build and actually port over this quickly.
Please visit our website, appscale.com, to read other exciting customer success stories, including deploying business intelligence applications and mobile games in China. Thanks for watching.